Hi, I'm Beth Fleischer, and today we're going to talk about what glue works best to fix broken ceramic flower pots. So here we have terracotta pots and a broken one, and the best glue for flower pots is going to be something waterproof. So I have this one here. It says it's for plumbing. It's called Amazing Goop, the plumbing version, and that will mean that it is waterproof. It also has a nice little pointy tip here so you can direct where the glue is going to go. So we're going to dab a little bit of glue here. Okay. And then take your other piece and go ahead and set that on. And then just wipe away the excess on both sides. And as you're wiping it away, it'll really fill in any cracks that are there as well. And then I like to just go ahead and take a little bit more and coat the back of the crack to kind of reinforce it. And then it should dry for about 24 hours. And you just want to go ahead with all your pieces, let it dry, and that's how you fix a ceramic pot with your plumbing adhesive. I'm Beth Fleischer. Thanks for watching.